Guyana Power and Light Inc. on Friday handed over a donation of $500,000 to the Step by Step Foundation, a charity that focuses on assisting children on the autism spectrum. The donation occurred in the boardroom of the Ministry of Education at Brickdown.
GPL's Public Relations Officer Natalie Pindar says every year the organization makes donations to worthy causes.
The Step by Step Foundation caught our attention because they are focusing on autism, a condition that is not much is known about autism. And so our partnership and moving forward in terms of cementing a relationship with the Step by Step Foundation is really to bring awareness to the cause.
We are extremely grateful to GPL and to the Ministry of Education for all the support they have been giving us over the past few years.
Chief Education Officer Dr. Marcel Hudson said the ministry pays the employees of the foundation and assists with the development of the curriculum.
Part of the Ministry of Education's strategic plan has to do with making sure that our children who have special education needs, that those needs are attended to strategically so that those children also would fulfill potential. Because we learned a long time ago that notwithstanding the condition or the situation that the child may be facing, each child is born gifted.
Reporting from Brickdown with videographer Akeem Evans, I am Kimal King, DPI.